What's going on, y'all? Nick here, coming to you with another video. So you guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to play all your 12 keys, all right, with both your right and your left hand. All right, I'm going to teach you the fingering, all right, and also make sure that when you look at this video and you study it, make sure you go back and you do everything that I'm telling you with a metronome. I'm going to teach you how to properly do that. All right, I'm probably going to break this series into 12 different videos so that none of the videos are too long. All right, now if you're in this part of the series, the next part of the circle of fifths, from C we're going to go to G. So first I'm going to play with my left hand. Alright, now I'm going to play with my right hand. As always, please slow down the video, replay, do whatever you need in order to get down the fingering. But now I'm going to teach you how to play it with both hands. So it should sound like this. As always make sure you're doing this exercise with a metronome. So it should sound like this. Alright, there you go.